Reporting live from the duck pond. Got a little bird that's bruised but not broken. You hear the words that are spoken. Here's another one. Hey. Baby, they talking. What'd you say? What's that you say? Say, hey, Hypnotic. Let me see you walk, 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 walk. Oh. Reporting live with the duck that don't give up. Breaking news, breaking news. Time to feed my peeps. That's right. Baby, come to me, 'cause you're hungry. There you go, baby. Hey, oh, don't get too down close. Reporting live. How was your day? What'd you say? Okay, you didn't want to see that? How was your day? Okay. How was your day? Well, I'm reporting live with the ducks. They don't want to talk today, and that's fine. Everyone have a beautiful, blessed day.